Today, we're going to explore a crucial topic: why most people never build wealth. Understanding the common barriers and misconceptions that hold people back is essential to changing our financial futures. We'll dive into the mindset, habits, and external factors that often prevent individuals from accumulating lasting wealth. By recognizing these challenges, we can start to make smarter decisions and create a path toward financial independence. What if income isn't actually the problem when it comes to building lasting wealth? Many people assume that the reason they don't have wealth is simply because they don't earn enough money. But here's the thing: every day, there are people with average incomes who quietly build wealth, while others who earn much more find themselves struggling financially. So the real question is, what sets these groups apart? What makes some succeed and others struggle, despite differences in income? Today, we're going to explore those factors and uncover the true barriers to creating lasting financial security. One of the biggest myths in personal finance is that wealth starts with a high income. It's easy to assume that earning a lot of money automatically means you'll build wealth, but that's often not the case. Many high-income earners find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, unable to save or invest effectively. On the other hand, plenty of ordinary people, with average incomes, manage to accumulate substantial wealth over time. The key here is not how much you earn, but what you keep. Managing your money wisely, saving consistently, investing thoughtfully, and letting your wealth grow are what really matter. Income creates the opportunity, but it's your behavior, how you handle your money, that ultimately determines your financial outcomes. Reason number one is lifestyle inflation. This happens when your spending rises right along with your income. For example, a raise might lead to buying a new car, a promotion might mean moving into a bigger house, and a bonus could turn into a fancy vacation. The issue here isn't enjoying the money you earn. That's important, but it's about spending every dollar you make so quickly that you never give yourself a chance to build financial security for the future. Too many people go through years of earning more, but never truly get ahead because their expenses keep pace with their income. Reason number two why people struggle to build wealth is that they keep waiting for the perfect time. They wait for a better job, more money, a perfect market, or even until next month. But the truth is, wealth almost never comes from perfect timing. Instead, it's created through consistent action over time. Those who succeed financially aren't necessarily luckier or given better opportunities. They simply start taking steps before they feel completely ready. The key is to begin now, even if conditions aren't ideal. If you're finding value in this video, make sure to subscribe to WealthWise Together. Our mission is all about helping everyday people build real wealth by focusing on practical strategies, smart money habits, and financial education that truly works. We want to empower you with tools and knowledge that can make a difference in your financial journey. So, join us and take control of your financial future. Reason number three is the lack of a system. Many people want to manage their money well, but they don't have a consistent plan in place. They save only when they remember to, invest when they feel motivated, and create budgets only when financial problems arise. The difference with successful wealth builders is that they do the opposite. They set up automated systems to save, invest, and track their financial progress consistently. The key takeaway here is that systems beat motivation every single time because they remove the need for willpower and make good financial habits effortless. Now, let's talk about an important idea: consumption versus assets. Many people spend a lot of time and money buying things that actually lose value over time. Think about new gadgets, luxury items, or status symbols. While it's perfectly fine to enjoy these things, this kind of spending doesn't build wealth. The key to creating lasting wealth lies in owning assets. Assets are things that generate income for you in the future, like investments or rental properties. On the other hand, liabilities are things that cost you money, often in the form of ongoing expenses. So, the more assets you own, the easier it becomes to build wealth, because those assets are working for you, creating income and financial stability over time. This shift from consuming to investing in assets is a crucial step toward financial success. Reason number five is financial fear. Many people hesitate to build wealth because they're afraid. They're scared of investing, worried about making mistakes, afraid of losing money, or just afraid to get started. But here's the key point: the biggest financial risk isn't making a mistake, it's doing nothing at all. Mistakes can be fixed, but lost time can never be recovered. So, overcoming this fear is crucial to moving forward and achieving financial growth. This slide highlights what I like to call the turning point in building wealth. It's important to understand that building wealth isn't just for the lucky or for people with extraordinary skills. Anyone can do it by following some straightforward principles. First, spend less than you earn. This creates the foundation for saving. Next, save regularly, no matter how small the amount might be at first. Then, invest consistently to put your money to work and grow over time. It's equally important to avoid unnecessary debt, as it can easily set you back. Finally, stay committed to these habits long enough for time to work in your favor, allowing compound growth to do the heavy lifting and really build your financial future. These simple yet powerful steps can truly change your financial trajectory. The final lesson is really about understanding the power of small decisions. Most people don't fail to build wealth because they don't have the ability. It's because they underestimate how much those little choices add up. Saving a few dollars here, making a small investment there, or avoiding an unnecessary expense might seem insignificant in the moment, but when you repeat these habits consistently over 5, 10, or even 20 years, they can transform your financial future. Essentially, the wealth gap we see is often the result of ordinary decisions made consistently over time. It's not about giant leaps, but steady, meaningful progress. Now, let's talk about what happens next. If you're curious about how those small decisions you make every day can lead to vastly different financial outcomes down the road, you're going to want to watch the next video. We'll take a closer look at why two individuals, even earning the exact same salary, can find themselves in completely different financial situations just 10 years from now. It's a fascinating breakdown that really shows the power of your choices over time. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Wealthwise Together so you never miss an update. Make sure to turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Share this video with someone who could use a little financial guidance. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling me one financial goal you're working toward right now. Remember, building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about making better money decisions, one step at a time. Small financial habits lead to big results. For free resources, worksheets, and a supportive community, check the links in the description. Stay wise, stay focused, and let's keep building wealth together. Be sure to subscribe to Wealthwise Together to stay informed and empowered on your financial journey. Next, I highly recommend watching The 10-Year Wealth Gap. Two people earn the same salary. One gets rich. This video really sheds light on how your financial decisions today can create vastly different outcomes over time. Understanding this wealth gap is key to making smarter choices that can set you up for long-term success, rather than falling behind without realizing it. Remember, the decisions you make right now shape your financial future. It's all about being wise with your choices, staying focused on your goals, and consistently taking action to build your wealth over time. By working together and committing to this journey, we can create lasting financial security and success. So let's stay wise, stay focused, and keep building towards a brighter future.